Alright boys, so in preparation for Battle by the Bay, we've done some modifications for this year versus last year. First things first, that's right, we got rid of the Nittos and we got these Cosmo mud kickers, boys. And let me tell you, they are an aggressive tire. These are load range F. And let's just say these are designed for doing what we're trying to do.
And this year we actually were able to build our bump stops, and yeah, these are definitely more aggressive than what we had at Dyno Camp this year.
So at this point we are just about as dialed in as we can be to get ready for Saturday. So let's get to it, boys.
Boys, looks like we've made it. Got to go down here and get into the pulling section here and get parked and get registered. So let's go.
Alright boys, welcome to Battle by the Bay 2025. Got the truck all set up here, got the suspension stops installed, got the pull and hitch installed. So all I got to do now is register and enjoy the day. So enjoy, boys.
Well, boys, we pulled 62, which I think we're actually the first of the street diesel class.
boys, so we are pulling second. Right now we are the 466 hot class. So wish us luck. Got a lot of strong trucks in the field. There's like 5 of us, but like 2 of them are 3.0 trucks. So not really screed, but we'll see what happens.
Ladies and gentlemen, here comes Mike Cole. I'll tell you what, he brought that off nice and easy. Good work for him.
God damn it.
Chevrolet, and he's off and rolling. Here comes Josh Alexander. Rice.
All right, boys, let's go ahead and recap Battle by the Bay. So with them moving it from Saturday to Sunday, cut down the field pretty extensively, not just for the street diesel class, but for most all classes except for the hot 466 DT class. That right there, always a popular class, brings a lot of tractors. But let's talk about this tractor right here. So we pulled 235 feet. Right near the end, about 200 foot, it really started to spin real bad, and then we got to that 235 mark and it was just hopping really bad. Aside from that, executed the plan really well. It was actually one of the smoothest pulls I think I've ever had with the truck. The Cosmo tires did amazing. They hooked great. We had a really good start, and when the power came in, it really went, and I was quite impressed. Even though the number really wasn't that great, we still performed fairly well, and we beat out some common rails, and that's always a good thing. As far as the winning trucks, I believe the white Silverado ended up winning it, or the green Duramax. One of the two ended up pulling it away, and they did a hell of a job. I mean, those trucks were purpose-built pulling trucks. So we're going to go and finish the video off there. Big thanks to all the sponsors: Power Driven Diesel, Sinister, Derail, Power Driven Diesel, already said that, Hot Shot Secrets, Diesel Auto Power. Do what you guys always do: like, share, subscribe, P-Pump the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Not gone, by the way. So we're going to give the truck a couple weeks off and then get ready for Truck Mania, which is May 3rd at MIR, and then we're gonna finally cut into this truck a little bit more. We're gonna do some more work to it, and I think we're all going to be pretty impressed once it's all said and done. See you guys in the next one.